Do you know that fractions might seem tricky, but they are part of our everyday lives? Whether you are sharing a pizza or measuring ingredients, knowing how to arrange fractions is important. And in this video, we'll unlock the secrets of sorting fractions from the smallest to the largest. So let's get started. Now, here we have a third, 2 over 5, 3 over 4, and 1 over 2. I want us to arrange them from the order of the smallest to the largest. So let's get started within the shortest time possible. Now, so let's begin here with the solution. So under the solution, we have to check. We have the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, the numerator are 1, 2, 3, and also 1. The denominator are 3, 5, 4, and 2. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator, and the LCM is 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15, and from there we shall have 15 multiplied by finding the LCM of 1 and 2. We realize the LCM of 1 and 2 is 4, so here we shall have 15 multiplied by 4, and then the LCM shall be 60. Now, so after finding the LCM as 60, then now we arrange them. So we have a third, we have 2 over 5, we have 3 over 4, and finally we have 1 over 2. So all these fractions, now we are now able to arrange them in ascending order by the use of the LCM, that is 60. So how do you go about that? So we use 60 as the LCM and to divide by the denominator. Like now we can say 3 goes into 60 20 times, and 20 times 1 is 20. So there, under 1 over 3, so we shall have here we shall have under 1 over 3 we shall have 20 out of 60. Then now we move to the next stage, where now we shall have 5 goes into 60 how many times, and it goes 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 all over 60. Remember 60 is the LCM. Then we move to 3 over 4. So 4 goes into 60 how many times? So it goes there 15 times, and 15 times 3 is 45. So there we shall have 45 out of 60. Then from there now we check a half goes into 60 how many times? So it goes 30 times. So the last one we shall have 30 out of 60. So we have now written the fraction in a different way by now using our LCM as the common denominator. So from here now we can arrange them properly, and now we shall say that let's check the numbers on the numerator: 20, 24, 45, and 30, and let's try to check which one is smaller. So the smaller one is 20 out of 60, and 20 out of 60 represents a third. So here now we shall now have 20 out of 60 represents a third. Remember, now we are arranging them in the order of smallest to the largest, that's ascending. Then so let's take that. So from 20 out of 60 we move to 24 out of 60, and 24 out of 60 represents 2/5. So we shall now have our 2/5 down there. Then our next one now is 30. So this one, so 30 is represented by 1 over 2. So we shall have our half there, and finally we shall have our 45 over 60, that is represented by 3 out of 4. So when writing this fraction in the order of ascending, we have a third, 2 over 5, 1 over 2, and 3 over 4. And this one now becomes the answer. If you really worked it out, then you are expecting this in the comment section, if you really worked it out properly. So if you didn't get it out properly, this video is still yours. You can make the changes and see where you made wrong or where you made a mistake. Now we have two ways in which you can use to work out these fractions, or this method by arranging the fractions. One is by the use of the LCM. Then the next one is by the use of what is called the percentage. So we can also use percentages to work out this problem. Now, so an assignment that I want to give you guys, well, let's work out, or let's arrange this maths problem by the use of the percentage. but not now by the use of the least common multiple, but now by the use of percentage. And share your answers on the comment section. So if you really liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and also like. I hope this video has added some value to you. Let's stop there. See you in our next video. Bye.